All right, well, we have a quick break in the rain. We had a very heavy rainfall. Look at all the flowers are doing just fine, the ones that I just planted. Except it looks like the bunny has been eating the viola. So much for planting flowers instead of edibles and thinking that was gonna have any effect on preventing the rabbits from interfering with my gardening. Hi everyone, Mark here at Ponderosa Garden Adventures. Welcome back to another episode. Today I'm going to be planting more flowers here in Corfu. I was so pleased with the results of the ones I planted last week. I had some snapdragons, some primrose, and some pansies. And so we decided to go back to the garden center, hit the clearance rack again. So I got a bunch more of these. Starts at $2 a piece. I'm going to fill in the perimeter all the way around. I did do a square gardening plan for Corfu this year, as you can see. And my idea is they're going to be perennials in the middle and annuals around the perimeter. So if you look close, I'm going to have lupins here in the middle and then zinnias on either side and then annuals around the edge. And there will be some perennial wildflowers in the middle too. I've got some seeds for planting the wildflowers, lupin, and zinnias. So let's see how much I can get done in 20 minutes. Let's see if I can do my daily 20 and get these planted. Let's go. I'm going to have a red viola here. These are pansies, a purple and white. So I'm going to have purple one here, purple white over there. Another viola, I haven't figured out where it's going to go. I've got a yellow and purple pansy to go right there, fill in this spot. And then I have a bunch of stock. I love stock. They're so fragrant. I've got a white one there, a white and purple. That's pretty good. It's got a yellow and red theme to it. Just get a little bit of color over here, going over here. All right, a little crowd over here, but that's the way it's going to go. And then I'm going to plant seeds around, some perennial seeds in the middle here. Let's get started. Now, I especially want to get these guys in because these are really gorgeous. So it's going to be, I'll zoom you in. And let's see what we got here. I really wasn't sure how much dirt there was going to be in here. Oh, there's a lot. Break this in two. Now, this dirt's not even going to get used. Toss it. That's a lot of roots, though. Look at that. A lot of roots. So that's going to look really good. Oh, it's really nice. This one, a smaller root system, not quite as deep. There we go. And this one actually has the same color scheme as that one over there. That's going to look very nice. I really like this one. That is very nice. Viola has very pretty yellow and red striation, and they're very, I love this. I had to have it. You know, I had to have it. Like I said, it's a little congested back here. A little busy over here. I just want a big splash of color. Lots of yellows, and then from white over to red. Okay, moving right along. Let's stagger these. Don't know why I started with this one. There it is. Kind of dry it out right along the edge there. Let's get this. Let's give the viola here lots of space. Come out. There's lots of roots there. This one looks very healthy. It looks great. So again, the color scheme goes like yellow to white, to purple to red, and these whites, these are kind of ivory colored. Ivory color and the white stock are the most fragrant. I got this one because it also has purple on them. That's gonna look really interesting. So let's just keep moving along this. Now I am going to spread this wildflower mix and look at the details for that. And I'm just going to cast these around in the middle. That should really be enough. A few more. Alright, well, I am going to now. Oops, there's some lupin seeds. I'm going to plant these down the middle because I love lupin. I'd love to see lots of lupin. There's actually a lot of seeds. I don't think I'm going to need that many. I shouldn't be putting them there. I want to put them just here in the middle. Like so. What was next? These are zinnia seeds that Sharon gave me. These are the shorter ones. I'm going to do these over here. Alright, and some zinnia seeds. Some convolvulus. These go a little bit deeper. A little smaller. Now, last part, I'm going to take some of this potting soil. And sprinkle that all over those seeds. Let's make it about 1/2 inch thick. So, 1/4 inch, 5 millimeters, let's say. Alright, we are done. We are done, folks. We got it done. Got it done about 1/2 an hour. And we are done for the day here at Ponderosa Garden Adventures. Dunk up a whole lot of water on these seeds because we've got a rainstorm, a couple of rainstorms coming in. Hopefully that'll germinate them. Expecting to see stuff maybe by the end of February. It's today's February 11th, I think. And so we are well past our last frost. We're a good 10 days since the last time we had frost. So I am feeling comfortable about putting some seeds in, getting those started. And we got a rainstorm coming up. We're going to see if these will germinate. And I will keep you posted. But in the meantime, thanks for watching another episode of Ponderosa Garden Adventures. Like, subscribe, leave comments below. We'll see you next time. What is it today? Today's the 24th, so it's about 2 weeks later. And let's see. Well, we've got some seedlings coming up too.
Oh, there you go. What's that?
I think these are convulculus here. Like these with the dark leaves right here. Really? Yeah, it is. But I planted 2 there. I planted 2 there. and two there, and
Got a
two
lot
there.
coming up over here.
Now, these are morning
Yeah,
glories.
that's what
They're all over the place. You can see over here where the morning glory was last year. There is just tons
oh, well, we always get
of morning glories. I think these are zinnias finally coming up. And then there's another little cluster of zinnias right here. These, I think, these little feathery things are poppies, California poppies.
Well, you'll have those forever.
Yeah. So good. And in a few weeks, I think we will have some flowers coming up.